everyone, you're welcome to Kharis Tutorials. I'm Simeon. In our last class, I told us I'll be taking us on how to use your hemming gum. So today, that's what we'll be doing. Here I have my hemming gum. This is how it looks like. So in case you missed the last class, just watch how to make a simple kimono jacket where I explained, instead of you going through the stress of using your needle, your hand needle and thread to hem, you can just make use of this. And today I'll be explaining how to use this. So you need your hemming gum, your fabric and your iron. Let's move on. Alright, so to use this, I'll place it on the edge of my fabric, and this is what I'm going to fold so that I'll be able to place it directly on my gum. Then I'll press with the iron. You can use your steam iron, you have no problem. So you just fold your fabric and place on the gum. So you have the gum in between the fabric and what you're folding. As you can see, it saves time, less stress, and it's also going to come out very neat. So this is the front part of my fabric. Can you see what we have on the inside and on the outside? So I'm going to do the same to the other side. So let's see how it looks like. So this is it. So you can use your hemming gum for the base of your dress as well. So this is how it looks like on the inside and on the outside. So thanks for watching Kharis tutorials. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you anything. Also click on the notification button in order to get notifications for our upcoming videos. I still remain Simeon. Remember, you can follow us on Facebook, on Instagram at Africa TV, and at Kharis Kreations to follow me on Facebook and on Instagram. Till I see you next class.